Hey, bird. We were going to. Well, Becca is still doing that thing with his hand, vector, but it stopped. So I guess it is something I don't know. Anyway, we we were playing around with the magnetic field and the clear gold quartz, and I wanted to show y'all because it's super sunny out. It just rained. Okay, check this out. Let's go see what the sun is up to. What's up? We're gonna need your power. So pretend this is our what do you call it whenever you're about to nothing. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So I know. You see how it is. We're not sure. But check this out. I don't know, my fingers might get dirty. Look at the magnetic field. Sorry. It's funny, this get it, magnifying, right, glass. Thanks, Soul. So, the sun, it has, it makes all the particles for gold. Now, whenever this rock was, you see how they're kind of coming together? That's the pressure from the magnetic field. And another thing that we noticed was whenever we would put it in like really cold water, or we leave it in a fire for we're just experimenting. I think we might have added impurities, maybe some of this, but I don't know. Anyways, so the magnetic field is pressurizing everything. Now, there was a meteor, I'm assuming, because there's meteor, little bitty, right? And, sorry. Well, this is clear quartz, and most people were like, that's nothing, so they just threw it aside. And what happened was, I guess, some people say that right after the impact, we went into an instant ice age. So whatever hit us may have been full of gold. You know, maybe that's why it's worth so much. But what happened was the ice age was so fast, and they said that it is extremely fast, like uncomprehendable. I'm trying to get it really focused. Okay, hold on. You would be surprised what a magnifying glass, all these chips and stuff are from the magnet. Isn't that weird? Not even with like force, just by like the magnet having to release. Okay, here we go. I'm so weird. You know how people are like, what do you want for your birthday? And the people that are like, nothing, because I'm one of those, is like, I really don't want, I don't, you know. But something that I would always want, you know, something that you could always get somebody. Oh wow, I see a little bit of a glistening. Supposedly, it's supposed to be metallic. And it's funny, well, a magnifying glass and magnets for our research. So, some people use chemicals to extract it, and they pulverize it, And in another video where we do the same research, I know it's like, just leave it right there. Oops. So we found a bunch so we could, like, I guess waste, which is never, there's no waste. Whew, it is starting to get super hot. Anyways, I know, right? Well, no, I don't know about these acids and stuff. It's like, I don't mess with that stuff. But I didn't have a problem with baking soda. And what else was it? Like, maybe vinegar. Nothing like, but with the magnetic field, pressing, and I guess that chemical reaction, and then putting it in, and we sparked a little bitty piece, like, there's a video of metallic, like, and it was gold color, and that's literally all you need for gold. I know, right? So it's funny. In essence, like, this quartz rock is a lot heavier, so in essence, this potentially, we're proposing a potential for it to maybe become a golden nugget, right? We're harvesting our gold, because one time we threw it in some really cold water. I want to try that again, and it started to drip, and it was like a different color, like a brownish color, but usually it's a few drips, right? It's just in ice water, but this stuff just kept just falling out, and it was like bleeding out this different colors, like water. And you know how they call these veins? I guess that's where the gold deposits come together. And I was like, is this an ancient way of bleeding the veins? And then you can take what you need. Probably that would dry into a powder. I don't know what you do next. Anyways, let's go watch the sky. We'll be right back. So earlier I did a slow motion video because it was a really cool setup, but I couldn't see it, and I was just able to, I wasn't looking at the screen. Like, all of it's on the dang road, and something awesome is happening. I haven't even watched it. It's probably like 3 hour long. Hey. It's our strawberry fields forever. So these are actually Africanized killer bees. I don't know, there was a huge beehive when we moved in here, but then later on, I guess, like, an Africanized killer bee took over, but the honey is so good. But when they hit you, the sting is like a bullet. But if you're good to them, they're good to you. Okay, but let's keep going back. I don't want any kind of but one is enough. I got bit once. I think they were trying to be like, hey, what's up, Vernon? I don't know, let's go. Hey, soul. Hey, back there. I know. Hey, Vector, what do butterflies symbolize? That would be so awesome if you would have answered. We're like in the middle of, well, no Wi-Fi or my phone hotspot. Do you see in the middle, Vec? Doesn't it look more animated? I hope our video gets this. Maybe that is a hangman. Huh. Doesn't it kind of? And it's like not bad hanging. It's hanging on. Oh no. What are you hanging on for? A bubble bath? That would be fun. I'm speechless. You have outdone yourself tenfold. Hey bird, what's up? Y'all doing good? Tenfold? We were trying to identify what that eye was like a few days ago. Was it raw or was it horse? And it was pretty tricky. And I was like, are you trying to let us look through your eyes? So if you do watch it and you think about it like that, and you'll be like, you know what? You might be right. A little Mount Olympus observation. I agree with that. I better take a breather. The phone's getting kind of hot. I love you too. backwards. Thanks, Soul. Y'all guys are so detailed today. That bird just said, dip out, dip out. I'm gonna put captions for the birds one day. Is that cool with y'all? Is that cool? Wouldn't that be cool? Alright, let's go. Bye. We thought we would do a little VecViz observation. See, Hollywood, we're catching on. Backwards. I don't know, I just tried it on accident. A lot easier. Action. Hey Vector, how was your day? Maybe we saw the light.